Hi, my name is Alexandria Luscavage, and this is my community in words and pictures. I live in Sunbury, Pennsylvania, which is located in Northumberland County. It is in central eastern Pennsylvania. I have lived in Sunbury for a year now, but I've always lived around the area. The pictures that I chose to include here, on the left, you'll see a overview shot of the town. On the top right here, that is a shot of our downtown Market Street. And then on the bottom right is a picture from the Riverwalk, which is actually my favorite place in town. Who are the residents? The population of Sunbury, Pennsylvania is 9,719. For gender, males take up 50.3% and females are 49.7%. For race in Sunbury, the white population takes up 87.8%, the Hispanics are 6.4%, the Black community is 3.5%, and those who are more than one race take up 1.8%. The median age in Sunbury is 35 years old. Quality of life statistics, I decided to focus on crimes reported because Sunbury tends to get a bad rap for crime. However, when looking at the data, I was a little surprised to see how low a lot of the numbers are. Obviously, any amount of crime, there could be an improvement made on, but I was pleasantly surprised to see 0 murders, 2 robberies, 5 incidents of arson, 9 assaults, 9 auto thefts, 17 burglaries is a little high, but still considering, and 91 thefts. Formal institutions in Sunbury. There are actually 3 elementary schools in Sunbury. There is the Grace Beck Elementary School, the Priestley Elementary School, and the Oakland Elementary School. I was only able to find pictures of the Grace Beck School and the Priestley School, which I included at the top of the screen. There is also the Shikellamy High School, which is the only high school in town. The Northumberland County offices are also all located in Sunbury. On the bottom left there, you will see an office building that holds the Northumberland County Children and Youth Services Office, the Northumberland County Probation Office, Northumberland County Area on Aging Office, and the Truancy Department. In the middle on the left there, you will see the Northumberland County Assistance Office, which is also located in Sunbury. This office deals with food stamps, medical assistance, cash assistance, and things like that, and that is actually the office that I currently work in. Informal institutions, I was actually shocked to see that there were 16 churches in Sunbury. I knew there were a few, but I never expected the number to be that high. I actually had to Google it to double check and make sure. We also have a YMCA, which holds a daycare program, a few youth programs, and swimming. The town also has, which I failed to include here, a public pool and ice skating rink as well. And then lastly, the River Festival is a huge deal in Sunbury. People look forward to it all year. It's great to get out and celebrate the summer together and be close to the water. Here are 2 maps that I was able to find. On the right is a map of Sunbury, and on the left is all of Northumberland County. My community assessment. I feel that Sunbury is a good community to live in. I would happily stay here, raise a family here. There is a huge sense of community togetherness and involvement. Everybody is very hands-on in the town. They want to be inclusive with everybody. They want everyone involved. They just want to make the town a better place for everybody to live in. And it's something that I've really appreciated and grown to love about it since moving here. Resources, like I said, all of the county offices are located in Sunbury, which is great for the community. If anybody needs any kind of assistance or anything, it's all within walking distance. And lastly, I thought it was important to include the local economy. The main street in Sunbury is filled with small businesses, locally owned restaurants, mom and pop shops, little craft stores. There's a few coffee shops that just opened. There's a farmer's market. There's really a lot of local businesses in the town, and I think it really benefits the community and kind of ties back into that community involvement and togetherness. But overall, I really think that Sunbury is a great community to be a part of, and I am happy to live here. And there are my references. Thank you for watching my presentation.